Hi, today we are seeing in this video the Pan India stock is giving the Pan India corporation stock in during 1 year period is the 1360% is returns giving. This stock in 1 year before that share price is 19 paisa, just 19 paisa. 19 paisa that present share price is the 2 rupees 74 paisa. 2 rupees you are just invested in and you are buying for 19 paisa to 1 lakh shares. It becomes your investment is done 19,000 rupees. 19,000 you are invested in 1 year before 19,000 rupees on in the stock on in stock on stock on Pan India Corporation stocks. Now present share price is at 2 rupees 73 paisa. 2 rupees 73 paisa to multiplying 1 lakh shares, it becomes for the 2,73,000 rupees, 2,74,000 rupees. One big net you are invested in the 19,000 rupees. 19,000 rupees in 1 year period is multiplying compounding for the 14 times. 14 times is just invested in the for 19,000 rupees. It compounding for the 14 times. Like this is the asset. Like assets also we are not working, but money is growing. Returns is giving, profit is giving, because we are invested in the real estate. Real estate just buy for the on land. The land is after 1 year or after 1 year after 1 year after 2 year sale for that land. But that land amount you are buying amount to next you are selling amount is to increase is high, because that this is the assets also assets we are not working, just the time to just taking the time and the patience, just taking the time to growing for the moving minutes. So we are same in the share market stocks also times to get growing for the money, because that every business is not growing and developing the one day is not happening. So that's why to take growth for business, to take for more time. So that's why is to take to hold for that business stocks to long time. It's giving for the big returns in future. So that's why here to patience is important to make money in the share market. To patience also important. So you have to make money in the share market, to learn for share market and do research about that businesses, which businesses in the future is very demand, and you have to analyze for everything. And so the financial services sector stock is giving in last 2 to 3 months is giving for good returns, because that after COVID-19 people are making money to it's difficult, because that so that's why they are taking loan from banks and financial institutions. So that's why banks also higher returns to giving for the loans to customers. Loans to customers, they are also making good profit in this period. So that's why the bank in financial sectors stocks is growing and giving for good returns in during this recent period. And so we have to invest in the so many you have to analyze for everything. What is the current and what is the current problems to what is the which business has to the current problems to which businesses to which businesses to going and good, which business to necessary in the future. We have to analyze for everything, and then we have to invest. Then you have to invest and do research, and we have to what is the capitalization, what is the business sector is to need in future or not. You have to analyze for everything, and then you have to invest. So this is the video, and do research and learn the stock market, because in patience is important to make more money, because we have to hold for the stocks to long time. So that's why to patience is important. How much of time to holding for the how much of long of that how much long time to holding for the stocks, that much of big returns you are getting. So hold for the long times. So hold for the long times stocks and get big returns. So this is the video. In front of videos are good returns giving good high returns giving stocks we are seeing next video. So that is the video, and do subscribe for this, and thank you for watching this video. I think